Such a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Yes. It's nice to have some sunshine. Starting a conversation can sometimes be jarring. One of the most classic American way to start a conversation is to talk about weather. Examples are: "It's nice and sunny today, isn't it? Looks like it's going to snow. It's time to get my skiing gear out." Other ways of starting a conversation are to talk about current events, politics, any local events happening in the area, or complimenting someone about someone's dress, shoes, or hair. Today, we will look at a conversation starter between Josh and Sarah, followed by a casual conversation between them.
Today's lesson: starting a conversation.
Such a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Yes. It's nice to have some sunshine.
Absolutely. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. What is yours?
My name is Joshua. It's nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
What a beautiful smile you have.
Are you flirting with me now?
No, I was genuinely appreciating it. Please don't mind.
It's okay, I was just pulling your leg. Where are you from?
I am from Chicago. How about you?
I am from Malibu, just a bit south of Los Angeles.
I love Los Angeles. I always wanted to visit Hollywood.
I mean, it has its glitter and glam, but it can get very city-like sometimes.
Oh, so you prefer living in the towns and suburbs?
Yes, I like to live in areas where I can live and sleep peacefully.
Well, I love the city life, to be honest. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and going for long walks.
That sounds nice. I like playing guitar and cooking.
Oh, that's interesting. What kind of books do you like?
I enjoy mystery novels.
I love historical fiction. Do you have a favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta. Do you have a favorite book?
It's hard to choose, but I really enjoyed the book Thief. Do you have a favorite song to play on the guitar?
I enjoy playing Stairway to Heaven. Do you have a favorite place to walk?
I love walking in the park near my house. It's very peaceful. Do you have a favorite type of pasta to make?
I love making spaghetti carbonara. Do you have a favorite historical period you like to read about?
I'm fascinated by the Victorian era. Do you have a favorite mystery author?
I really like Agatha Christie's RKS. Do you have a favorite character from a historical fiction book?
I really liked Liesel Meminger from the book Thief. Do you have a favorite Agatha Christie book?
And Then There Were None is my favorite.
I really enjoy reading Charles Dickens. Do you have a favorite recipe for spaghetti carbonara?
I usually follow the traditional Italian recipe. Do you have a favorite Dickens novel?
Great Expectations is my favorite. Do you have a favorite guitar brand?
I love Fender guitars. Do you have a favorite place to buy books?
I usually buy them online or at local bookstores. Do you have a favorite cooking show?
I enjoy watching MasterChef.
I love historical fiction.
Do you have a favorite genre besides historical fiction?
I also enjoy reading fantasy novels. Do you have a favorite band?
I'm a big fan of the Beatles. Do you have a favorite fantasy author?
I love J.K. Rowling's works. Do you have a favorite Beatles song?
Hey Jude is my favorite. Do you have a favorite Harry Potter book?
Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban is my favorite. Do you have a favorite cuisine?
I love Italian food. Do you have a favorite movie?
I really enjoyed The Shawshank Redemption. Do you have a favorite actor?
I'm a big fan of Robert De Niro. Do you have a favorite director?
I really admire Christopher Nolan's RK. Do you have a favorite movie genre?
I enjoy watching thrillers. Do you have a favorite TV show?
I love Friends. Do you have a favorite TV show?
I really enjoy Breaking Bad. Do you have a favorite Friends character?
I love Chandler Bing. Do you have a favorite Breaking Bad character?
Walter White is my favorite. Do you have a favorite season of Friends?
I really enjoyed season 5.
Do you have a favorite quote from Friends?
Could I be wearing any more clothes? Always makes me laugh. Do you have a favorite season of Breaking Bad?
Season 4 was really intense. I loved it.
Do you have a favorite quote from Breaking Bad?
I am the one who knocks. Is quite iconic.
Next, shadowing practice.
Part 1, Asking how somebody is. Hi, how are you? Hey, how's it going? What are you up to? Yo, what's up? Hey, how have you been? How's your day been? Hey, what's new? Part 2, Describing how you are. I'm great. I'm doing pretty well, and you? Things are great. I couldn't be better. I can't complain. I've been busy. Same as always. Not bad, and you? Things could be better. I've been better. I feel a little under the weather. Busy with work. Part 3, Saying goodbye. Goodbye. It was nice talking to you. Bye. See you. Take care. Take it easy. Talk to you later. Have a good one. Hope you feel better soon.